हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माई सेल्फ स्मिथ ठक्कर आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्मिथ ठक्कर में एक बार हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। तो दोस्तों, आज हम देखेंगे वाइब्रेशन का एक नया टॉपिक, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन ऑफ वाइब्रेशन बाय यूजिंग पर्टिकुलर energy method. In our previous video, we have defined the natural frequency by using equilibrium method. Now today we are going to see or learn something regarding this energy method. Okay, so we are starting our video. So now what is this energy method? Okay, now in energy method, according to the law of conservation of energy, we all know that energy is neither created nor destroyed, is converted from one form of energy into the another form of energy. तो वो सब हम जानते हैं कि एनर्जी कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती और हम बना भी नहीं सकते, वो उसका एक फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी में से दूसरे फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी में हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So we can say that internal energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So we can write down this equation like this: kinetic energy, total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, so this is the summation of potential energy plus kinetic energy. Now for finding out the natural frequency of this particular vibration by using this energy method, we have to define the equation of motion of that particular vibration. So first of all, we will find that what is kinetic energy. Now as we all know that the general realized equation of kinetic energy is 1/2 mv square, means 1/2 m is the mass and v is the velocity of this particular system. Okay, but in the language of vibration, we all know that in place of velocity v, we are applying x dot. So generalized equation for kinetic energy for that spring mass particular system, it is 1/2 m into x dot square. So we can give this equation number 1, we can say that. Okay, so further, now second thing is the potential energy. Potential energy. So in potential energy, now in language of vibration, how to find out this potential energy? Now generally we know that potential energy को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि स्थिति ऊर्जा, जिसे हम बोलते हैं potential energy, स्थिति ऊर्जा. So generalized equation is mgh, हम बोलते हैं m is the mass, g is the gravitational acceleration, and what is h? h is the height of that particular system, कितनी height है वो. So it is mgh generalized equation potential energy का रहता है. जनरल हम यूज़ करते हैं जब डैम में पानी भरा होता है, तब उसकी हम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या होती है वो फाइंड करते हैं. नाउ फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर स्प्रिंग मास सिस्टम इन वाइब्रेशन, दिस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज कंपेयर्ड विद द स्ट्रेन एनर्जी. ओके, सो हियर इट इज द ग्राफ बिटवीन फोर्स वर्सेस डिफ्लेक्शन. हियर इन वाई एक्सिस देयर इज फोर्स एंड ऑन इट्स एक्स एक्सिस इट इज एक्स. ओके, सो हियर वी कैन से दैट दिस इज द, जैसे जैसे फोर्स बढ़ेगा ऐसे ऐसे डिफ्लेक्शन बढ़ेगा. सो इट इज अ लाइन एट 45 डिग्री. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड आउट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बाय यूजिंग दिस ग्राफ. ओके, सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज द एरिया अंडर दिस ग्राफ इज नोन एज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. दिस एरिया अंडर दिस ग्राफ इज नोन एज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. वी कैन से दैट स्ट्रेन एनर्जी, बट इट इज हियर इट इज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, नाउ वी ऑल कैन सी दैट दिस इज द ट्राइंगल. ओके, सो वी ऑल नो दैट एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, यानी ट्राइंगल का क्षेत्रफल वो क्या होता है. सो इट इज नोन एज द 1/2 हाइट इनटू बेस. वी ऑल नो दैट. सो ओके, सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू एरिया अंडर दिस कर्व और एरिया अंडर दिस ग्राफ और लाइन. इट इज 1/2 हाइट इनटू बेस. ओके, सो कंसिडरिंग दिस, force is the height is the f and deflection is the x here. So we are considering 1/2 f height and x is the base. So it is 1/2 f into x. Okay, now f is the force or load, we can say that. Now in the spring mass system, what is force? Force is equal to k into x. Why kx? Because we all know that spring has its own stiffness. So stiffness is defined as force per deflection. So force is equal to stiffness into deflection. So it is F is equal to K into X. So it is 1/2 kx square. Okay, we are putting the value of F is equal to kx. So finalized equation of kinetic energy Ke is equal to 1/2 kx square. So we are giving this equation number 2. Okay friends, so by finding out both equations, kinetic energy and potential energy, now putting that value of kinetic energy and potential energy in equation, first equation. So we know that total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now putting the values, so it is in place of kinetic energy it is 1/2 mx dot square plus 1/2 kx square for potential energy. So we have put all the values that we have find at kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay, now what we will do, now for finding out the equation of motion, we are differentiating this equation with respect to time. Okay, so we are applying this differentiation du by dt is equal to, okay, so now here we are applying this differentiation. So x dot square, so it is 2x dot और x dot का क्या होगा, x डबल डॉट, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन. सेम वे इन फॉर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इट इज 1/2 2kx और x का क्या होगा, x dot. Okay, so this is the differentiation. So now applying this differentiation, we are knowing that this total energy with respect to time करेंगे, there is constant, there is no change in energy as per the law of conservation of energy. So we are applying here is 0 is equal to, अभी क्या करेंगे अब, this 1/2 2x dot वो हम क्या करेंगे, कॉमन ले रहे इधर. So equation will be 1/2 2x dot into bracket mx double dot plus kx is equal. Okay, so now this 2 will be cancelled. Now x is the value of this velocity, it cannot be 0, तो उसको इस तरफ लाएंगे तो वो भी क्या हो जाएगा, it will be 0. So final equation will be mx double dot plus kx is equal to 0. Now dividing this equation by mass m, so we are getting the equation x double dot plus k by m x is equal to 0. So now we can say that according to Newton's second law, this is the equation of motion, where we can say that this portion k by m is known as the omega n square is equal to k by m. So we can say that omega n is equal to under root k by m, and this omega n is known as natural frequency of the particular system, where k is the spring stiffness and m is the mass. Okay, so by using this energy method, we have find out the equation of motion x double dot plus k by m x is equal to 0, and finally we are having the equation of natural frequency, it is omega n is equal to under root k by m. Okay, so आज हमने एनर्जी मेथड देखा, लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने इक्विलिब्रियम मेथड देखा था. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स में हम फोर्स वाइब्रेशन चालू करेंगे. सो होप आप सबको ये एनर्जी मेथड कैसे हमको देखना है वो आप सबको पसंद आया होगा. सो ज़रूर से पूरा वीडियो देखिए. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच दोस्तों.